Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Welcome, Sagittarius, to your solstice reading. It's so great to do a reading for Sagittarius because I'm also a fire sign, Aries, so it's lovely to do a fellow fire sign. And your cards for the solstice is one, first up, Serenity. Again, a magical energy. I think it came out before for Libra. And you have the Power card. Wow, great energy right off the bat. Serenity, Power, and oh, you've got two cards. Wow, Science and Focus. Focus has come up a lot in these readings, and I think it's all about focusing on that which you want to create, focusing on ourselves in order to align the energy and being in tune with ourselves to attract those manifestations. Focus, I think, was the most drawn card, funny enough, and it's all about focusing your energy to attract positive energy. So great, Sagittarius, you've got wonderful cards: Serenity, Power, Signs, and Focus. So let's go ahead and read those lovely cards for you for the next 6 months with the solstice energy. So right off the bat, Sagittarius, Serenity. First up, it already exudes a magical energy. It's all about being in tune with yourself, whether it's going out in nature, whether it's reading a book, whether it's writing a book or writing a journal. It's about getting in tune with your heart, mind, body, and soul, that which makes you feel aligned, that which helps you feel balanced. If you've been feeling unbalanced lately, doing that, I'm just saying writing in a journal will help you release those thoughts and emotions and help you be clear on what you wish to attract so you can attract it, because the serenity energy helps us attract also what we want. It'll help you be more serene and be more in your power by doing those things. And being in your power is wonderful. It's nothing bad. It's speaking into power, speaking into existence, or using your power to speak into existence that which you want. So start doing, like I'm literally seeing the action, doing things that move in the direction of your goals. Stop always putting your energy without and put your energy within, Sagittarius, to achieve your goals. You're a fire sign, so you have a lot of energy, and fire signs tend to put a lot of energy out and combust the energy. I know this. I'm not judging. I know because I'm also a fire sign, Aries. So putting out the energy out is all good and well, and creating that warmth for people and things that are there for you and support you, or at least people and things you love. But sometimes you also have to put that energy into yourself and those goals that are close to your mind, your heart, your body, and your soul. You need to get clear in your mind what's close to your heart, put in the work with your body, and help achieve those soul energy goals that you have, those goals of your soul. And sometimes it's difficult for fire signs because of creating that warmth. Uh, we you move in the direction and you keep going, in terms of helping those others, which is wonderful. Help others, but remember to also help yourself. Remember to put the energy where you're putting it towards those that support your goals too and help make your dreams and goals come true. You can't be always helping others who are always doing other things when you need help. You need to be putting more energy in yourself and also towards those that help you, whether it's help you calm your mind, heal your body, heal your soul, or help heal your heart, or just help you live a better, happier, playful, joyful life. And the last card for you, well, the last two we picked was signs. So follow the signs. This is a beautiful card. Literally, you'll be getting signs, Sagittarius, towards your dreams. And you need to start focusing. Again, I'm getting the energy of focusing on self, focusing on things that bring you joy, focusing on moving in the direction of your dreams and taking action to achieve those dreams. So the dream might be a bit further away, but you creating stepping stones or milestones and then almost hopping on each milestone. I'm seeing hopping on the milestones. Taking action will help you literally hop your way to success. I'm visualizing you hopping on stones like a lake towards success. So it's going to be a fun journey for you. It's going to be fun. This focus is usually a focus serious card, but for you it's a fun card because by you focusing, getting clear on your goals, getting clear on what's important to you with the serenity, with speaking into power, what you want, following the signs or stepping stones is going to help you get to the focus. Drop the card. It's going to help you get to the focus and achieve those goals. Okay, so I hope that helps you, Sagittarius. I hope you have and wish you a magical 6 months of solstice energy. Comment down below what the dream you wish to create all that focus with and enjoy it. Have fun. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean, and there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go, just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care. Bye.